read about Charles Bronte's biography and works today. Charles Bronte is a famous name in Victorian era. Charles Bronte, Charles Bronte was born in 1816 and she died in 1855. Charlotte Bronte was a famous Victorian novelist and poetess. She was the elder sister of Emily Bronte and Anna Bronte. Both her sisters were also writers and died at an early age. She also died at a young age because of hyperemesis. Hyperemesis is a disease, or we can call it is a nausea which is caused in pregnancy. Pen names of Charles Bronte are Lord Charles Albert, Florian Wellesley, Currer Bell. Major works written by Charles Bronte are Jane Eyre, Shirley, The Professor, Villette. So let's discuss about major works written by Charles Bronte. First is Jane Eyre. Jane Eyre is famous novel of Charles Bronte. It was written under the pen name of Currer Bell. Theme of the novel is search for family, love and belongingness. Jane Eyre is the story of 10 years old girl who had to live with her maternal aunt. Later aunt sends her to boarding school considering her mischievous. Jane spends her next years in school, first as a student and then as a teacher. Finally, she marries a widower, Mr. Rochester. Next novel written by her is Shirley, which is really important. It was published in 1849 and Shirley is a social novel. The novel deals with industrial unrest and role of women in society. The story reveals two girls named Shirley and Caroline. Caroline had to live with her uncle due to the death of her father, and her mother also left her. On the other hand, Shirley is a rich girl. Uncle do not accept the love of Caroline with Robert, a local mill owner. Facing loss in business, Robert proposes Shirley to marry. But Shirley, when got to know that Robert wants to marry her for riches only, Robert goes to London to earn money. Returning from there, he marries Caroline and Shirley marries Louis. Next novel written by Charles Bronte is The Professor. It is the novel which was the first novel written by Charles, but it was rejected by the publishers. The novel is a story of a young man, William Crimsworth. It describes his maturation, his career as a teacher in Brussels, and his personal relationships. Orphaned William Crimson was dependent on his uncles. He wanted to get free from there. He reaches Edward Crimsworth, the brother of William Crimsworth and successful tradesman. He goes to Edward Crimson, who is the brother of William Crimson, and the brother Edward is really a successful tradesman and is very rich also. Edward gives William the job of clerk, but out of rivalry makes it hard and intolerable for his brother. Eventually, with the help of Mr. Hudson, William becomes a successful teacher. Actually, the person William Hudson, he meets there in the factory of actually he is a tradesman, so he meets there at the company of Edward Crimsworth. So he helped him really a lot in his life and he becomes a successful teacher thereafter. Villette is yet another novel written by Charles Bronte. The theme of the novel is isolation and internal conflict. Lucy Snowy is the protagonist of this novel and she goes to teach in Villette. Villette is actually the name of the place where she goes to teach. There she falls in love with Paul Emanuel, whom she cannot marry because of different religions. Paul dies in shipwreck and Lucy decides to live in isolation after the death of Paul. So this is all about Charles Bronte. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video.